Welcome to FlotasNet. In this video we are going to talk about our onboard solution, FlotasNet OnRoute, application from which you are able to send and receive messages, work orders, forms, see the vehicle sensors, and have more functions that we will explain below. The first thing you should know is that FlotasNet OnRoute is an extra functionality of FlotasNet, and it must be contracted. Therefore, it is needed a specific username and password for this application. Once we have this information, we open the FlotasNet OnRoute application. It is available on Google Play. In the following screen, should we fulfill the username and password to access the platform. This is the main screen we see when open FlotasNet OnRoute. Here there are the following parts: access to the menu or to the main screen where we insert the functionality, name of the current screen, icons that show if there are alarms, messages or events, access to these 6 functionalities. Each of them can be chosen. Clicking and holding on each of them gives us the option to change among available. If we drag from the left side of the screen toward the center, a drop-down menu with all the functionalities appears. If we drag from the right side to the center, voice control appears. From voice control we can write, send and read messages. To do this, press the microphone and wait for it to ask what do you want to do. If we enter to the messaging functionality, we will see all the messages sent and received from the device in connection with the platform. We distinguish 2 kinds of icons of messages, with a truck icon when it is sent from FlotasNet OnRoute and with a house icon when it is sent from FlotasNet. Within messaging, we also can send messages with attachments, such as images or documents. As well, we have a direct access to the device camera in order to take a photo. In Add Point, we can add a geographical point with the current position of the device. To do this, just click on Add Point and enter a name for the geographic point. Clicking on Files gives access to the folder where all the files received from FlotasNet are stored, whether routes, images or documents. In Operator PIN, you can change the driver of the vehicle by entering the driver's PIN. By definition, a driver's PIN must be consisted of 5 digits, so these 5 digits must be entered on numeric keyboard that appears on the screen and press OK. In navigation, we have the GPS Navigator functionality with Cygix 3D maps. Here we can load routes, search for destination, and other basic navigator functionalities. Finally, we have the settings section, where we can adjust different parameters of the application such as brightness, volume, activate Bluetooth and hands-free, add external sensors, font size, language, and activate or deactivate voice control. The other features of FlotasNet OnRoute will be showed in the future tutorials.
FlotasNet. Juntos, mejor.